Welcome back, young artists. Let's talk about light and shadow as a whole and things that you need to look for while you're rendering. So this sphere is a white sphere. That means that it's a local value of 1. You might can say 1.5, but it's still 1. And you also want to look at what are your light logic principles and how to distribute your values. So let's start with highlight. So when we are looking at this sphere, your highlight is right here. So that's a value 1. Then as we move, these are your midtones. So your midtones are 2 and 3. This is your bridge. So this is your darker midtone. This right here is your shadow edge. You want to pay attention to what the shadow edge is doing as far as where it is a little lost and where it has a little bit more firm line. That's your shadow edge. Then we have our core that's here. So all of this is your core. So that's your darkest value in your sphere. Then we have our reflected light that is here. Then we have our pit that is here. So this should be our core. We can say it's a 4, or we can say it's a 4. If this is a 3 for our bridge, this is going to be a 3.5 for our reflected light. Our pit is going to be a 5. As we start to move back, we move into 5s, 4s, 3s, 2s, 1s for our cast shadow. Think about edges for the cast shadow as well. There's going to be firmer, sharper edges here. There's going to be soft, lost edges here. Overall, for a sphere, you want to make sure you're thinking about the overall edges of the sphere, where it's a little soft at, where it's a little sharp or firm at. Those are things you want to think about while rendering. Hope this helps. Bye, guys.